Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to continue to see how we can install Samba. Samba is used to share the file or folder from Red Hat to or other Linux to the Windows. So if you want to transfer file from Red Hat to Linux, you can transfer them through the package called Samba when you have installed it. Okay, let's continue. Open the my Red Hat server. Let me go to the terminal. I have to type CU in order to be the root user who is allowed to install everything. So to check my softwares, tap this command. I will see if so. Now as you see, I have all the software installed, like Samba client, Samba Common, Samba Windbind. Those are installed. If it doesn't have them, to install them you have to type yum y install Samba client Samba Common. But for me, you see that I have them. It will tell me that no package available, is already installed. So those are already installed. So you type these names and you install them when you don't have. Let me clear this. Or you can come here to, if you want to install, if you don't familiar with the terminal, you can come and open this Red Hat. You open it here. After open it, you will see this disk opened. You will come to this disk, open, come to the packages. When you come to the packages, you will find all packages are saved here according to the ascending order. You see R S every you see the first letter to find what you want very well. So my Samba, I start from here: Samba client, Samba Common, Samba Windbind. So you can come, for example, you want to install Samba client and Samba Common. I click to this. When you double click on it, it will open and ask you the password you used to log in as root. After you type the password, you will start to install the package. Okay, but if it's installed, it will not tell you to install it again. It will show you it is already there. Okay, let me continue. I was showing you the ways. You see this was opened because I clicked the Samba Common. Let me go again to the terminal. See you. Okay, here again, what I have to do first, because I have my Samba installed, I have to type service smb start. You see, it shows me that it is okay. That means Samba is installed correctly. What I have to do now, I have to create the folder which will be used to transfer those to share the folder which I want to share. Okay, but you can test everything before. Let me test the palm. It's used to test. You come here, you see I don't this is the configuration files in the Samba file, but I want to modify it. Okay, yeah, I have to enter there, type vim etc samba smb.conf. This is it. Okay, you go at the bottom of the file. I'm going to configure Samba. How I configured: you click I in order to insert your words, and I have to do like this. shared. That means this is a shared folder. The path of this folder the path of this folder will be, let me create the folder to let me share this folder to some location, like let me do a simple location. The folder will be called Samba. Let me do this. Will be to the root Samba and share. Okay, this is the location of this folder I want, and I create this privilege readable. That means the another one can write something on this folder, like saving another file or doing something, saving something there. Okay, let me, it can be browsable. That means it can, when you are in Windows, you can browse this folder and get it. It is browsable. Okay, and read only, let me save it to no. Okay, that mean this folder it can be not used for viewing only. Readable, yeah, readable is there. Okay, that means I think this is enough for now. Okay, this is enough for now. To save them, you type escape, double dots, and WQ. That means it is saved. Okay, after saving them, let me create that folder I have saved as a path there. mkdir is make directory. I type P because I create a folder in another folder, shared. Okay, this P, that means it is a double folder, Samba shared. Okay, so I have created that folder. I have to give it permission, chmod execute read and write. It is a full permission, full privilege to do something. Share, I mentioned the folder I give that. It is done now. Let me create the user of this Samba. It will be, let me name it Nick Samba. This user is already exists. Boom, that means I have created them before, but for you, you can do this. Let me create another user. Let me show you. To create a user, you type user add. You can name it like SMB, like SMB Nick. Okay, when you create that user and you want to give it password, if it is a password, SMB SMB password. Okay, and you type, like, you type again the name Nick. Okay, and when you type, sorry, I make a mistake here. There's no error. Okay, oh sorry, what I do wrong. Oh, I enable it, but it is not there. They show me that it is not found. You see, when you add this this SMB nick, it will ask you to type a new password. But for now, I don't want it because I have created it. I have it in my Red Hat. So you can do new password and confirm it. It will work. So let me clear this. Let me end this because for me I have it. So I have to do again service SMB restart. You see, it is okay. It is okay. It is okay now. Check config SMB on. Okay, that means now my Samba is working. What I have to do now, I have to test palm again. Sorry. When you test the palm, you see I have the path Samba shared read only no. Okay, that means this is what I have configured there, and I have to come here. I will come to this. Sorry, I will come to sorry to system. I have to come to system firewall. Sorry, administration firewall, and I close this. You find. Let's wait a few moments. Okay, I have to type the password for my root user. So when I log in, you find your Samba. You see Samba is enabled here. That means you have to enable it. If it is enabled, yes, you are good. Can you go back again? So let's test by using this XP machine again. What we did, let me show you. We have created this. I've created this shared folder to view that it is available. It is this in the roast location. You see, I have Nick Samba. This is a name. This is the username of the. To create the username, yeah, you do like this. Change owner. You change owner and you type like that name, like Nick Samba, and you do again Nick Samba, and you mention the folder Samba share. When you type, the owner will also be Nick Samba. That is what I have. And this permission here, you do change mode. I type this 77. That means it is this is D. It means the directory read write execute. I give the permission to the full permission this folder. Okay, after mention this, you type Samba and you mention it is this one. Okay, this is the syntax for it. And what you have to do now, I will show you in my file. My file vim etc samba share. Sorry. Vim etc samba smb.conf. When you type this is I config the thing. Remember we have the domain. We have the domain. The domain is it is accessible to the name which I call cnet. When you come to this When you come to this Windows server, let me open it. um, okay, last time I was not working. Let's do this .mcc to show you the name which I use to access. So the name which used, you tap right click here. I go to the properties. It is CNET. That means it is the same CNET. Okay, now and what I have to add also is the security. You mean it is the user. I also come to the bottom here to the file which I have configured. For this section of shared, I mentioned the path which I have for the folder to be shared to this window is Samba shared. This is the folder location. Browsable, it is to yes. When I browse it here, I will get it. Read only now. Valid user Nick Samba. Nick Samba is the user I created. Guest okay. Guest okay. I also but I can delete one. It is not okay. I do like this. Save my file. Okay, that means I have, this is how I create the Samba after installing it. So what I have to do, type service smb restart. You see it is okay. Service nb restart. It is okay now. So what I have to do is to come here. This is my XP machine. I log in as administrator, and when I do cmd, you see it can ping 10.20. This is the IP of this Lady Hat, which is you see here 10.20. I also come here. Let me delete this. When I ping it, you see it is pinged. Okay, that means I can access this location. Okay, you see this is my shared folder, which is this one, cd cd Samba shared. You see it is the folder. When I do this, in this folder you see I have the file called announcement.txt. When I type this shared, you see I have that file. When I open it, you see, hello everyone, this is the message that confirm you have allowed to transfer file from Windows to Red Hat. Okay, this is the message. I also get it. And here when I type cat, and announcement .txt, sorry, when I type vim, announcement dot let me see the txt. Sorry, let me do the another one here. Let me create a new file here to see if it can be shared. Let me, for example, type another text document. Let's wait a few moments to get it. Some machine can go slow because of the ability. See now, the folder I created, the new folder, new text document, I created it here, but here you see it doesn't come, but here it is come because maybe it is the network issue. So for now, I show you how you can transfer files. You see now it is here. Okay, I can name it like here, name it hello hello Nicholas. I get your shared folder. Okay, and I save it as well. Let me name it Nicholas. Okay, that means it is saved now. But for here to update, it is not coming as I got to shared. See, it is Nicholas. Let me delete this one. Okay, it wants. Okay, let me do this. What I need now is to show you how you can create it. I do this again. You see now I have the folder called the Nicholas. Okay, you can cut it. Hero Nicholas. You see, you can read Hero Nicholas in Nicholas folder. Okay, now thank you. This was the Samba, which allows to transfer file from Red Hat to the Windows. Okay, this was the XP, and here you can access it also in your server, which is also to type again to call this. You see now I have them in my server, and I can read. Hello Nicholas, you get your shared folder. Everyone here on this network can read and access these folders shared by using Samba. Thank you. This was Samba configuration. I will need you to get you well in another step to do other very cool projects. So let me clear this and exit. Sorry, and exit also from the terminal. And for saving my Red Hat, you can do this. Save the machine state. Okay, to avoid losing your stuff, and I have to shut down this also. I do like this, I do this. You also can follow this by your security of your machines. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really wish you all the best in your work. I need to get you to another episode. I want to ask you help, share this to your colleagues, and remember to subscribe, to like, to comment if we can add something, if there is anything that was not going well, in order to correct in the next videos. Thank you.